How to connect the actual sensors to the receiver. At first, we turn on the sensors first. Press on/off button 4 times. It has several short beeps prompt, and the indicator light will be red for about 30 seconds. Okay, save. And then we plug the receiver into the outlet. The song number will flash one by one for 3 times. Okay. Press and hold the volume button for 5 seconds. And the release button when the song number flashing. Okay. Activate the first sensor. Okay. Ringtone prompt means the first sensor has been connected to the receiver. Same steps. Press and hold the volume button for 5 seconds. Release the button when the song 2 flashes. Activate the second one. Okay, let's try again. Song 1, first sensor. Song 2, second sensor. Thank you.